Dear students, welcome to Social Science online class. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Unit 3, India Agriculture. Today's topic, Agriculture. Students, listen here. First I ask some questions from previous topic, irrigation. Are you ready? What's irrigation? Watering of agricultural plants through artificial means is called irrigation. What are the main sources of irrigation? The main sources of irrigation used in different parts of the country. What are they? Canal irrigation, well irrigation and tank irrigation. What are the types of canals? Canals are divided into two types. What are they? Irrigational canals and perennial canals. What are the types of wells? Wells can be divided into two types. What are they? Open wells and tube wells. What are the modern irrigation methods? There are many ways in the modern irrigation. Among them, mostly practiced in India are drip irrigation, sprinklers irrigation, rain gun irrigation and central pivot irrigation. Why the irrigation is necessary? Because being a hot country with the seasonal and irregular rainfall, it always needs irrigation to carry out agricultural activities during dry period. Now we have to see about the topic agriculture. What's agriculture? Agriculture is the process of producing food for people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domesticated animals. Let's start. Determinants of agriculture. Agriculture in India is determined by a set of factors. Some of the important factors. First one, physical factors. What are the physical factors of agriculture? Relief, climate and soil. What are the institutional factors of agriculture? Size of farm holdings, land tenure and land reforms. Infrastructural factors of agriculture: irrigation, power, transport, credit, market, insurance and storage facilities. What are the technological factors of agriculture? High yielding varieties of seed and chemical fertilizers, insecticides and machineries. These are all technological factors of agriculture. What are the types of farming? Subsistence farming, shifting agriculture, intensive farming, dry farming, mixed farming and terrace farming. First one, subsistence farming. A considerable proportion of farmers in the country practice subsistence farming. For example, farmers grow crops with the help of family members and consumes almost the entire farm of produce with a little surplus to sell in the market. Preference is given to food crops. In addition to the food crops, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, jute and tobacco are also cultivated. Traditional farming method results in low productivity. Next, shifting agriculture. This type of agriculture is performed by tribal people in a piece of forest land after clearing the trees through felling and burning the trunks and branches. Once a land is cleared, crops are grown for 2 or 3 years and the land will get abundant as the fertility of the soil decreases. The farmers then move to new areas and process will be repeated. They cultivate some grains and vegetables crops using the manual labor. It is also called slash and burn cultivation. What's the other name of shifting agriculture? Slash and burn cultivation. Next, different names of shifting agriculture in different regions in India. Students, do you know? For example, Zoom in Assam, Ponam in Kerala, Podu in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, Beaver, Moshan, Benta and Bira in Madhya Pradesh. Intensive farming. Intensive farming is an agricultural intensification and mechanization system that aims to maximize yields from available land through various means such as a heavy use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Next, dry farming. This type of farming is practiced in arid areas and where irrigation facilities are lagging. Crops cultivated in these areas can withstand dry conditions. The crops grown generally with the help of irrigation are also grown under dry farming. In such circumstances, the yields are generally low. Most of the areas under dry cultivation entertain only one crop per year. Next, mixed farming. Mixed farming is defined as a system of farm which includes crop production, raising livestock, poultry, fisheries, beekeeping, etc. to sustain and satisfy the many needs of the farmer as possible. Next, terrace farming. This type of cultivation is practiced especially in hilly areas where lands of sloping nature. The hill and mountain slopes are cut to form terraces and land is used in the same way as in permanent agriculture. Since the availability of flat land is limited, terraces are made to provide small patches of level land. The soil erosion is also checked due to terrace farming on hill slopes. Next, name of the projects and benefits river and benefits states. First one, Damodar Valley Project. Benefits river, Damodar. Benefits states, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Next, Bhakra Nangal Project. Bhakra Nangal Project is the highest gravity dam in the world. Its benefits river, Sutlej. Benefits states, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Hirakud Project. Hirakud Project is the longest dam in the world. Benefits river, Mahanadi and benefits states, Odisha. Kosi Project. Benefits river Koshi, benefits states Bihar and Nepal. Tungabhadra Project. Benefits river Tungabhadra and benefits states Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Next, Teri Dam. Benefits river Bhagirathi and benefits states Uttarakhand. Chambal Valley Project. benefits river Chambal and benefit states Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Nagarjuna Sagar project benefits river Krishna and benefits states Andhra Pradesh. Sardar Sarovar project benefits river Narmada and benefits states Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Indira Gandhi Canal project benefits river Sutlej, benefits states Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. Next, Mettur Dam benefits river Kaveri, benefits states Tamil Nadu. Students, next revision. Different names of shifting agriculture in different regions in India. What are they? Zoom in Assam, Ponam in Kerala, Podu in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, Beavar, Moshan, Pendu, Penda, Bira in Madhya Pradesh. What's agriculture? Agriculture is a process of producing food for people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and raising of domesticated animals. What are the types of agriculture? Agriculture can be divided into 6 types. What are they? Subsistence farming, shifting agriculture, intensive farming, dry farming, mixed farming and terrace farming. What are the determinants of agriculture? Agriculture in India determined by a set of factors. Some of the important factors. Physical factors. Physical factors, relief, climate and soil. Next, institutional factors. Institutional factors like size of farm holdings and land tenure and land reforms. Next, infrastructural factors. Irrigation, power, transport, credit, market, insurance and storage facilities. Technological factors. What are the technological factors of agriculture? High yielding varieties of seeds, chemical fertilizers and insecticides and machineries. Students, listen here. I asked some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? First one. Dash farming is practiced in arid areas where irrigation facilities are lagging. Answer. Dry farming. Second question. Dash farming is practiced especially in hilly areas. Answer. Terrace farming. Third question. Shifting agriculture is also called dash cultivation. Answer. Slash and burn. Fourth question. Dash is also checked due to terrace farming on hill slopes. Answer. Soil erosion. Students, listen here. All are check your diary and note today's homework. Page number 159 to 162. Read thoroughly. I will conduct app test now. Get ready for social science app test. We will meet next class.